Alright, so Pim has kindly constructed a perfect grilled fish taco, and there's a little bit of technique to holding it, you know, some delicate finger work, and then just open your mouth up really wide and try to get the whole thing in one bite. It's not really a two-biter because it's just going to fall in half everywhere, so here we go. Here we are, folks. It's come to this. I ate bugs a long time ago. I swore to myself I'd never do it again. But here we are, 2019, Phnom Penh, Laos, eating crickets. Survival at its fittest. Man conquers beast. I'm gonna eat this cricket. The flavor is actually really great. You just have to clear it really quickly. One bite it, you know what I'm saying? Do like a triple chew. The flavor's good. It's almost like a chip, you know? So don't look at it as like it's a bug. Just think like, hey, whatever. And then you're fine. Just get over the peak. I think there's a piece of a leg. There's a lot of like sharp scraps. Anyways, just try it. They taste great. Yeah, they're bugs. And usually just stomp on them with your foot, but whatever. I'm lit. It's too hot. With morning glory and bologna. It's a healthy snack on any occasion. Gotta get some more of this sauce. Okay, so finally made it to Luang Prabang. It's not quite as hot here as the southern parts of Laos and Thailand, but it's still warm. It's kind of cooling off tonight. So I got a shave and a haircut for 20,000 beep, which is about $2.30. And that's the same price I paid for this big bowl of Lao-style Sichuan. So it's pretty spicy and oily and red. It's got 2 kinds of noodles, 2 kinds of mushrooms, like 3 different kinds of this green vegetables, and tofu for $2.30. So that's pretty good. And then I got this hunk of chicken over here for extra protein. Alright, and we've already tasted it. It's pretty good. I just had to wait for like 5 minutes for it to cool off because they make it to order right behind me, so you get to pick what you want in your particular bowl. And then they heat it up and serve it to you piping hot. If I'm still hungry, I might get, like a sandwich off the street. but I'll probably be pretty full. So yeah, this is the like night food street. It's a pretty popular place, just about every night. Then after this, we're gonna head over to Gayo's friend Lee's sports bar. They got a pool table. Maybe just have a couple cocktails and then head back and go look at motorbikes tomorrow. Hang 10.
I want to take a picture too.
Glistening. I just finished my Szechuan soup, and the heat and humidity combined with that delicious Szechuan. Oh man, my arms are just glistening too in the sunlight. I'm about ready to soak through this shirt, and I didn't bring an extra one, so we'll see. Let's keep going. What's up? Alright, here we are. It was raining today. We had to walk like halfway across town to find the house that I'm probably gonna rent. I just want to check it out real quick and make sure it's not nasty, you know. A little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay, but some of the cheaper rentals were already booked because I didn't plan ahead in advance. Note to self. I kind of procrastinate and do a lot of stuff last minute, which is a gamble. Sometimes it pays off and you get good deals. You know, like the last minute deals, especially for like flights. I like to wait, you know. But, so, I really had to pee pretty bad, so we just found like the nearest place that was open to chill for like an hour until we were ready to go meet up with the... She's actually not the homeowner because it's Laos, so foreigners can't own property. It's her house, but she doesn't own it. So I'm like, okay, whatever. But anyways, so we came here, and I was like, I guess I'll get something to eat since I used the bathroom. And I was like, let me get that chicken burger. You know, it looked pretty good. I had a chicken burger in Lukla after we did the trekking to the Everest Base Camp. It was awesome. It was like the first meat I'd eaten in 2 weeks. Because pretty much every day we just had dal bhat, like lentils, rice, potatoes, which is fine the first couple of times, but after you eat it every day for 2 weeks, it kind of gets old. So I was like, oh, I'll get a chicken burger, and then it kind of like a fried, like a chicken finger sandwich. So, yeah, we'll check that out and see how it is.
Okay.
Alright, so I have a cold a little bit that I've had for a few days, so my taste buds aren't 100%. But it's alright. It's kind of like minced chicken with some onion and like, you know, the crispy fried outside, like a chicken nugget. You know, the bread's pretty fresh. It's like a kind of like a baguette type of deal, and then it has some coleslaw with tomatoes, lettuce, secret sauce, and then some honey mustard. It's kind of tricky to eat because it's like really wide. My mouth isn't that big. So I'm definitely a professional eater. So let's dive in. I mean, that's good. It's not gross, which is a plus. And then also over here at Bamboo Restaurant, next to the gas station. It's nice. It's a change of pace. If you come to Southeast Asia and you just eat pad thai and noodle soup and, you know, the local farallage, and you want something a little closer to home, you can get your chicken fingers po' boy sandwich with, it's got like fresh cabbage and carrots, so I think it's homemade. So yeah, pretty good.